Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Fanttik Fold S1 Apex Deluxe Screwdriver. So inside, it comes with the user manual, and then you get this nice storage case for the screwdriver and all your bits. So opening it up, you have your wireless screwdrivers, you have 20 different types of bits, and then you have your USB-C charging cable. So briefly going over some specs, this comes with 20 different types of bits. It has two speeds, low and high. The low speed is 100 RPMs and the high speed is 250 RPMs. It has a 2500 milliamp hour battery, LED light, and then again, it has that premium magnetic storage box. It also has various torque settings from 0.5 Newton meter to 7 Newton meters. So looking at the case, the top, you have a quick start guide here. It basically goes over the different torque settings from 0.5 Newton meter all the way to 7 and what applications you can use it for your electronics, to speakers, to furniture, and all the way to like your bicycles and larger furnitures. Looking at the screwdriver, it's a fairly compact size, and you have various pivoting angles. So to pivot it, basically you just press on the side here, and then here's one angle, another, and the last one. So basically 4 different angles that you can pivot it. And then the bottom, you have the button to activate the screwdriver. Looking at the display here, you have your battery levels, and then you have your high and low setting for your RPMs. And then this button on the side here is for your direction, so to screw it in or screw it out. As far as adjusting the torque, if you look at on the top here, you have a dot. So right now, if I twist it, right now it's on 0.5 Newton meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 7 Newton meter. So that's how you adjust the torque. Now attaching your bits. So on the top, basically, you just slide it in and then it locks into place. So you can see, you can't remove it. And then to remove the bit, the top here, you just pull up and that will unlock it. So just put the bit in to keep it into place there, and then lift up to remove. So now I have it on the high setting. This is on 7 Newton meters of torque. Switching it to the low. So fairly quiet. And at the end, you also have an LED light if you're working in a dark environment. All right, let's test it out. I have it on the high setting right now. I have a screw here, so let's see if it can drive it in. So that's with 7 Newton meters of torque on the high setting, and then let's reverse it and take it out. So there you go, no issues at all. So that's a look at the Fanttik Fold S1 Apex Cordless Screwdriver. Very versatile and compact, and you can use it in various situations, from working on your electronics all the way to working on some furniture or your bicycles. So I left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.